Selling on Amazon is the easiest way to build your very own, highly profitable physical product business from scratch. Selecting the right product is the most important and also the most time-consuming aspect of the business. We've broken it down to 6 criteria to help you select the absolute best and most profitable items to sell on Amazon. 6 criteria for highly profitable Amazon items. Number 1, top 5,000 in the base category. Number 2, price between $7 and $60. Number 3, less than 1,000 reviews. Number 4, small and lightweight, preferably less than a pound. Number 5, simple and not brand dominated. And number 6, something you're personally interested in and would buy yourself. Here's the old way of doing it. Okay, so here we are at the Amazon bestsellers page. Now, let's go over the criteria one by one. We know that the first criteria is for it to be in the top 5,000 of a base category. So let's select cell phones and accessories. Okay, so here we are at the cell phones and accessories page. So you see 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So let's just click the first one. It's an iPhone 6 screen protector. Right? So we scroll down and it'll tell you very specifically that this is number 1 in the base category. And you'll see it right here. And when we say base category, we mean right here, number 1 in cell phones and accessories, right here. Cell phones and accessories. Okay, so let's take a look at another product. Let's go with this one, for example. So here we have, when we scroll down, we know that this one is, overall, it's the number 1788 in cell phone and accessories, but it's number 515 in cell phone cases. So the overall base category is right here, cell phone and accessories, but it's number 515 in cases. So that's where we are, just to give you an understanding of how that works. Now, moving along, in this same exact product right here, we'll scroll up a little bit, and we know that the second criteria is for it to be between $7 and $60. So this one fits right here into that. So what's going to happen is you don't want to go too low on the price because you're going to get eaten up by fees and it's going to eat into your margin. And you don't want to go too high because then we're looking at something that would be too expensive to source a really good amount of. So we figured that $60 is a really good high point so that you'd be able to source, at least a decent amount of them to be able to get started in your business. That's the second criteria. And again, sticking with this same product, we want to look at something that has less than 1,000 reviews. Now, this particular one has 1,734 customer reviews. So it's probably not going to be one of the best products to go for because it's already really established. So we probably don't want to go with that. We want to look for something that's a little bit less. So again, we're staying in this same exact product category here. And let's try this one. This one right here, same thing. It's still an iPhone 6s case. So here we only have 194 customer reviews. This would be a really good product to go after right here. Now the fourth criteria is that it's small and lightweight. So again, we're still here, and a cell phone case is very small and very lightweight, so it's definitely going to be less than a pound. You don't want to have anything that's going to be too big or too bulky or too heavy because then you're going to get eaten up with shipping and fees and all that stuff. So that's something you want to make sure that you take care of too. Now, all the criteria that I've mentioned so far, in order for you to find a product, you have to actually have all these criteria into one particular product. And that's why I'm showing you the old way right now. Now, the fifth criteria is that it's simple and not brand dominated. So you don't want to go after something like a Fitbit or an actual Apple iPhone or anything like that because those guys already have the brand dominated locked down. That's not something that you actually want to go after. Something like yoga mats, water bottles, stuff like that. That's going to be something that you can really go after that'll be really easy for you to just do your own thing with. And also the sixth criteria is that it has to be something that you're personally interested in and that you would actually buy yourself. So again, that's all the 6 criteria right there, just listed them all out. Now, in order for you to actually find a product, what you'll have to do is you have to build all this up, find the exact correct product by going through exactly what I've gone through here, and you just have a spreadsheet and you can just do it that way. This process has been proven and it flat out works. We want to speed up and simplify the process for you and help you pick a great product from the start, even if you've never sold anything on Amazon before. The software I'm about to show you sorts through thousands and thousands of products on Amazon. Then the software analyzes each one of those products and ranks them on a variety of factors known to be the key to great product opportunities. These opportunities offer the greatest sales potential with the lowest competition in the categories that we know are great for building businesses. This adds an entirely new layer to Amazon to cater to you specifically. Pick a product and start building your business. It's that simple. All you have to do is run the software and pick a product. Nothing to download, works on any computer and any device from anywhere in the world. Let me show you how it's done. So here we are at Profit Spotlight 3.0. This is our brand new software here. So remember when we talked about the criteria? What I didn't mention is that there are certain categories on Amazon that you shouldn't even bother with. And now you don't even have to worry about that because these are the categories that you should be playing with here. All of them are listed right here. So there's no way for you to select a product that you shouldn't select. And we discussed that we wanted the price range to be between $7 and $60. Of course, you can change it to be between, I don't know, let's say $15 and $40 even. That'd be fine. So let's take it out of the top picks and let's say we chose something different. Let's say we chose kitchen and dining between $15 and $40 and see how it updates as we're actually doing it. That's awesome. So kitchen and dining between $15 and $40. And then we have the max weight. Now, of course, we don't want anything near 100 pounds. So we go max weight is actually 1 pound. And if we wanted to focus on something that was less competitive, we'd actually look for something that had like less than maybe even 500 or less than 300 reviews. Because the more reviews it has, the more competitive it's going to be. So let's look for something that's in kitchen and dining between $15 and $40, that's less than a pound, and has the most, let's say 100 reviews. Now, without you having to click enter or search or anything, the 5 results, they're right here, right in front of you. This is how easy it is to use this software. You don't have to worry about setting up a spreadsheet. You don't have to worry about doing any of those things manually that I just showed you in the other video. All this stuff is right here for you. Everything, super duper easy. You can even you can exclude certain words. Like let's say you didn't want the things we have here. Let's say you didn't want the word vacuum. The vacuum item, just like that, gone. It's that easy to select all the appropriate items that you're looking for, and they're all here in Amazing Profit Spotlight. This is how you find all the best opportunities right here. All you have to do is select the product and start building your business. Let's do another search here. Let's go for home improvement, and we'll look for something that's between, let's say, $20 to $30. And you see right here, there's no results to display. So we'd have to actually move up. And let's say we went to 300, then we'd have an item. Let's say we went up a little bit more and we went up to 500. We still are only at 1 item. See, so this is how you actually find items that are going to be less competitive right here. If you actually go into this and do this appropriately, all you have to do is find the product, select it, and start building your business. It really is that simple. Matt and Jason from Amazing Selling Machine are giving away a brand new version of the powerful Profit Spotlight 3.0 software. It's been upgraded to include more features and now goes beyond the top 100 products. It now includes thousands of products for each of the major categories. The data is scary accurate. In fact, no other tool on the planet is as accurate for Amazon product research. And it's anyone's for free for a limited time. If anyone waits, they will have to pay for this tool. Sign up for Profit Spotlight now before it's too late.